What's up? This is Fred Hurt, and I'm here, and I want to talk to you about something that I believe a lot of folks really don't think about, and they should, and that is life insurance. This just came up in my head, and I said, let me share a video for people to actually get out there and realize why they need to be thinking about life insurance now. A lot of people sit up there and they say they don't want to talk about death, and they don't want to do this, or they don't like that subject, but as I have stated before, it is better to prepare than just sit there and let something happen. I've seen cases where people have died with no life insurance, and the family have to take up, I guess, an offering or ask for donations to take care of the funeral arrangements. And it doesn't have to be that way. And I myself have life insurance. At one point, I was a life insurance agent. I no longer am, but I have Primerica life insurance, and I love the product. And I mean, even when I was in the business, I mean, you can make money with them also. I mean, I could never say anything bad about Primerica, but like I said, right now I'm not in the business, but the product is off the chain. And now I'm not saying that you have to get Primerica, but you do need life insurance. And you need to do the research to make sure you have the right kind. If you're interested in Primerica, hey, leave me a comment below, and I know someone that I can share your information with. Other than that, just get in touch with somebody. But make sure you do your research, because there are some places where you get insurance, and not to say that it's a scam, but you may not know everything that is inside of your paperwork. So let's talk about why you need life insurance. You are living your life, especially if you have a family, to make sure that you can take care of them. And if anything tragic happens, God forbid, but that does happen in this world. So you need to be prepared for your bills to be taken care of, or your family to be able to have money without you. Because let's talk about a family. If you have two incomes coming in and something happens to one of you, that means there's only going to be one, and you've gotten used to those two incomes. Life insurance is there to make sure that life is not that hard financially. Now, you can't be replaced, and it may take a little while for your family to get over you, but financially, you can plan ahead to make sure they don't have anything to worry about. Now, the point is, we don't know when we're going to die. We know our date of birth, but we don't know the day that we're going to die. And I heard that from a life insurance agent, and it made so much sense. You know exactly when you're going to, well, not when, but you know exactly when you were born, but you can't tell anybody when you're going to die. It could be tomorrow. Again, God forbid, but if it is, you need to make sure that your family is taken care of. And that is my tip for today, is that you just make sure they're taken care of. And hold on, you know what? Let me back up. I think I need to give you more information. If you get life insurance now, your family can live off of that life insurance, and maybe even make it work for them financially in the long run. Some people like to go ahead and pay off everything with the money. In some cases, that may be the best way to do it. In some cases, it may not. But again, I want to make sure to tell you, you need to research and find out what is best for your situation. If you don't have life insurance right now, and you're looking at this video, get off your butt and go and research. I don't know what time it is where you are, but if it's after hours or whatever, tomorrow you need to be applying for life insurance. It doesn't have to be that expensive. Term insurance is the cheapest. I've heard that some places believe that term is not the best for everybody. What I've learned, it is. But again, that's for each person to do their own research, what's best for their situation. I couldn't really answer that for yours. But Primerica only sells term. So if you have any doubts about term for whatever, I would suggest that you research it with a Primerica agent first. But then, if you still want something else, that's not the place to get it. So that's all I want to share with you today. give you insight on why you need life insurance, and to help. I'm sorry, I got a little tongue tied. To help you realize how important it is to make sure that your family is taken care of when you leave this world. You can connect with me on Facebook. I have a link below. Have a good day.